So guys, we are done with tool number 1 to identify your own personality, to identify the other person's personality as well, and how to build relationships with the other person, etc. The number 2 tool that we are going to be covering today in order to know your own personality is to take an AI powered career assessment test. Okay, so we all have been, I am sure that we all must have given job interviews at certain point of time, and almost all job interviews expect a personality test for us to given. These are, I strongly agree, disagree, moderately agree, 5 to 1 ka scale mein, what you think. So these are a lot of things which test expects from us, but these are very lengthy tests which even companies want to avoid, but they do have to take it in order to maintain maintain the team and see that the personality fit is there. But these tests are very very long. Employers don't want to take it, employees even hate it. Like I at least personally used to hate it, and these are very very long, lengthy. So this particular tool that I'm going to be revealing, guys, this is a very very short assessment test which will tell you so much about your own personality. You can craft your own your entire interview or your resume or your cover letter according to that, and you will see a real difference between like how you used to apply earlier for jobs versus how you are applying now. So this is the power of this particular tool, guys. The name of this particular tool is Traitify. Okay, Traitify is the name of this particular tool. It helps it helps one in understanding their own traits. Okay, so that is why the name Traitify, a personality test that helps you understand how your qualities and passion relate to potential career options. Okay, I'll just show you show you the use case of this particular tool with the help of a demo. Let me just go to Traitify. Okay, search for Tradify. This is the one that we have to go to, guys. Tradify by Paradox. Okay, once I click on that, this is the link that I am redirected to. Over here, just click on try it now. Once you click on try it now, it will ask you for a few details about yourself which you can enter. I'll enter Aditya as my first name. I'll enter Goenka as my last name. I'll enter my work email ID as, let's say, aditya@madaboutsports.in. I'll enter my company name as Mad About Sports. I'll enter my, let's say, job title as a founder. I'll choose my number of employees as between 1 to 1000, and I'll click on ready. Let's go. Okay, so it will ask me a series of questions. It is instructing me, click me or not me, as each image ideally relates to you and your work life. Okay, so like, are you someone who always plans ahead? If it's you, then click on me. If it's not you, then click on not me. Okay, I'll just use random examples not now. I don't want you all to know my personality so well, so I'll just click on random things right now. But try it out for yourself and you would see the results are actually very very accurate. I would say very very accurate, and it will really help me in building my own personality. These are the things that I should work on, these are the things I'm good at, and that is why I should apply for these sort of jobs where I will be able to utilize my skills like this. This is how you should utilize these personality driven tests. Directly you would say ki probably this is not directly related to job hunting, guys, but over here we are here to 10x your job hunting, and these things will really help you in 10xing your job hunting skills. Okay, so enter the exact details about yourself. Are you someone who always plans ahead? If you do, then click on me. If you don't, then click on not me. Let's say I click on not me. Are you someone who is caretaking? Me, not me. Just choose whatever you are. I'll just click on random things, and let's see. Open to feedback. Yes. Very sensitive. Yes. Not to do my job. Not me. No overtime. Not me. Nothing different. Not me. Sure of my performance. Me. Fielding. Me. Loves the social scene. Me. Fantasy. Me. Give me a break. Me. My turn. Me. Relentless. Me. Frustrated by others. Me. Welcome critics. Let's say not me. Outside of the box. Let's say not me. Procrastination. Let's say me. Drained by people. not me. I'll just choose random things now. I just want to show you this particular thing example, but you can try it out for yourself and see whether it gives you good results. This may not take more than 2 to 3 minutes of your time, but will really help you in identifying your own personality over there. All right, I have chosen very random examples. I have not read most of the questions as well, but according to whatever I have read, it tells me that your big 5 personality is that you are a self promoter. You are an influencer who brings energy to undertakings and draws attention to your role. Mindful of your needs, you are not afraid to persuade others to join an effort or share a viewpoint. Okay, it shares me a video as well, which contains some details about me according to the inputs which I have mentioned. And these are the things that it further mentions. The dimension score is calculated from your responses, etc. Openness, I'm mediumly open according to the traits which I entered. Consciousness, extraversion medium, agreeableness low, emotional stability medium. So these are the things that it tells me about myself. So this is how, guys, you can know more about yourself with the help of Tradeify. Put in the right answers according to your own self, how you feel about your own self according to the questions which was framed at Tradeify, and you will be able to get answers like these. So this is very helpful, and I would strongly suggest, before you move on to the next particular topic, which is on resume making and cover letter, which I'm sure a lot of you are waiting for, but before that, use these 2 tools to get a fair understanding of where your personality lies and stuff like that, so that this will really help you in 10xing your job hunting skills. So that's it, guys, for this particular lecture. I'll see you in the next one.